Hey, it's Fuzzy back here. Okay, you guys, this is a video on greasing the walker. Now, this is the older walker. It's in 2010, so I don't know if the new ones have all the grease zerks that the old ones have. But if you got one of these, I'm going to go through it, and I'll tell you the help with that. DeWalt 20-volt automatic. I'll tell you what, the grease zerks would not take grease because that thing pushes grease through. You wouldn't believe it. Almost makes the battery go dead. It's pushing so hard. Now this has got the high dump on it, so that itself has got 5 grease zerks. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I lift this up. Always grease the zerks and then drop it down. That way the shafts and everything get full of grease. But I'll tell you what, every one of those takes grease, and these right here, if you don't grease them regularly, maybe 20 hours or 30 hours, and if you don't have one of them, it ain't going to take grease, because I'll tell you, there's no way you're going to pump grease into those.